Hey! Today I'm testing the Moman MA6 Lavalier Microphone. Moman sent it to me for review. What's special about this microphone? First of all, it can automatically detect which device it's connected to. Right now I've connected it to my camera, but I will switch to my smartphone. What's also nice about this microphone is that it has a 6-meter long cable, so I can go back and still have clear audio. But I will now go inside for the unboxing and show you even more uses of this microphone. Please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel if this review is helpful for you. I will link to all products in the video description. On the box you can see the main features, and inside you will find a small user guide. The microphone itself is in a nice hard shell case. This is the small battery for the auto pairing feature. Then there's a foam cover to prevent pop sounds, a fairy wind muff for recording outside, a lavalier clip and a microphone. The Moman MA6 has a TRS connector, but will automatically detect when it's connected to a TRS connection. No adapter cable is required. For this feature to work, you have to first install the battery. The battery goes into a small compartment that is on the cable. The LED will turn on to show when the device is detected. The microphone has a capsule that I already know from other microphones, and usually the quality is very good. Outside I was using the fairy wind muff to reduce wind noise. I will now test the microphone on various devices, on my camera, my smartphone, a GoPro, an audio recorder and on a laptop. First I will connect it to my camera. On my camera it's working, as you can see. I have set the audio level to 15. I will unplug it now so you can hear the difference. So this is now without the lavalier microphone. Now I will connect it to my smartphone like I did in the intro. My smartphone, the Samsung S10 Plus, still has a 3.5 audio jack. For newer smartphones you maybe will need an adapter. I usually put my smartphone into flight mode to avoid any interferences. Interferences can also be caused by power adapters or other electronic devices. For the GoPro, you will need an audio adapter. I still have the GoPro 4 and it has this small adapter cable. For newer GoPros, for the GoPro 8 and the GoPro 9, there's a media mode that has a 3.5mm audio jack. Now I will switch to my audio recorder. Test, test. Is it working? Test, test. I use it, for example, to record voice overs. Last but not least, I will connect the microphone to my laptop. I use it to make Zoom calls or for live streaming, for example, using OBS. Okay, so what is my conclusion? The microphone worked nicely with all my devices. For times when a device might not be detected, you could also buy a TRS to TRS adapter. But for me, it was not necessary. Also, you might need an adapter for Lightning or USB-C if you use newer iPhones or Android phones without a headset board. The microphone is of high quality, I like the sound. If you get noise in your audio, you can also add a denoiser. The cable is very long, this is an advantage when you want to film more far away from the camera. Also, it makes it easier to hide the cable then. For times when you don't need the cable to be so long, be careful not to create a tangled mess. So better hold on to the twist ties the microphone came with. Also, the hard shell case is very useful to keep everything tidy, and it's good for transport. All in all, I think the microphone is a very good budget option and it will be very helpful for me. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to post below. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if it was helpful for you. See you next time. Bye!